Hi, and welcome back. I'm thinking tonight we're probably going to take the trim off this side of the Bronco, the tail light and reflector. I'm wanting to sand this side down and get primer on it, and then I'm going to take one day this week, drill out the rivets and the clips that's holding the trim on, fill those in with weld, and take the gas filler necks out. Anyways, by the end of the week, I'm wanting that to be all primed. Then maybe we can flip the Bronco around and start on the other side. But I think tonight I'll just work on getting the trim off and doing some sanding. Because this afternoon, me and my wife bought some lumber and we're building a carport. So I've been doing that all day. And it's late and I gotta do it tomorrow. And I'm kind of tired, but we'll still get some work done on the Bronco. This is all the lumber we bought today. We're gonna build I think 24 by 16 double car carport, and I'll show you that when it gets done. Hopefully it'll be done this week. That way I can keep the Camaro outside under it and have more space to work on the Bronco. Anyways, let's get over here, start taking the trim off and the rest of this stuff, and start sanding. Could probably still use this. Just need to clean it up and paint it. Those don't want to come off. Thought I could drill it off as a rivet, but might not have a bit big enough. Anyway, so these are attached with the, oops, see it? With a nut. I can get to that one, and I can get to that one over there too. Only one I don't know if I can get to is this one. Probably just gonna have to cut that one off. But these, I'm gonna push on it from this side, the back side, and then take my Dremel and cut the top of it off on each one. And when I get over here to this one, I'll probably just take a Dremel and try to cut, well, I'll probably try to pull this off first, and then cut the head off that, and I'll just fall down in here somewhere. That gets real hot real quick. I mean, that worked, but I even felt it through my glove, how hot it was getting. Guess I'll try these next. I think I'll just use the hammer and chisel. Well, that works surprisingly well. Now I can get in here and sand all this down. I like to have this top part sanded down pretty good, at least tonight. I think I'm gonna put some acetone on this and clean this up, and then spray that rust fix over this area here. I didn't notice really of anything of significance down this way, so I'll just try to do that to this area and then go from there. I think that'll do it for that. We'll have to let that dry overnight. But I think that'll hopefully fix that, and we can sand it down a little bit and then primer. Well, I'm wanting to sand the rest of this down and primer the whole bed, this side. And once we get up here, I'm gonna have to find out what's going on behind here. So we'll try to peel this back, probably from here to up here. Peel it back, see if it's what it looks like underneath here. Maybe try to sand it out or do something. I really hate to lose this back door pillar, since it has my original VIN number on it. So hopefully we can save it, not have to just try to hammer it back over and weld it back to that if we can. Make it look hopefully not too bad. But I think that'll do it for me tonight. A lot of really sanding heavy tonight, but I mean, it has to get done. And we'll continue on next time with the lower portion. Get that all sanded down and see if there's any rust underneath there that we need to spray that rust fix on. And then hopefully by the end of this week we can wipe it down and try to primer that whole fender, and then we'll be looking pretty good, I think, hopefully. Anyways, I want to say welcome and thank you to the new subscribers. I really appreciate it. I try to post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Just could be something to do with the Bronco. We're trying to get it done. But like I said, I'd come here probably around 11 o'clock midnight, try to work for an hour or two, go to sleep and get up and go to work. That's my routine since February. But anyways, if you like this or just want to watch me stumble through stuff, please like, comment, and subscribe. I really do appreciate it, and it makes me motivated to come out here like I always say, but it really does. Just thank you, and I'll see you on the next one.